Hello guys, today I'll give you 4 methods to fix SysMain high disk usage in Windows 10 or 11. First method is to stop the CES main service. Press the Windows button, then type services. Open it as an administrator, then find CES main service, double-click it and hit stop. Second method is to run SFC and DISM scans. Open command prompt as an administrator and paste the commands I've listed in the description. The third method is to edit the registry type. Regedit in the Windows search, then navigate to H key, local machine, system, current control set, services, CIS main. Double-click the start D word and set the value to 4. Then restart your computer. The fourth method is to update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Updates, and click Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.